Today I will show you the way design this software. Let me run it. When I run it, it is asking me account holder name. When I provide it, it will ask me account number. If I provide it, it asks me the balance. After I provide the balance and hit enter, it will give me the complete account details which I have provided through the console. For today's program, we need to take input from the user. To take input from the user, we can use scanner class. This scanner class is by default not available to our program. To make it available, we need to import it. Import java.util.scanner. This scanner class is available inside the java.util package. To access the scanner class properties, we need to create an object of it. Scanner sc is equal new scanner. We can take input from the user through the console by specifying system.in. Don't worry, I will teach you everything you need in upcoming videos about this scanner class. For now, all you need to do is what I am doing right here. Let's print some message system.out.println. I will use print method here. Enter your name. And then by using sc variable, I'm going to call next line method. This next line method takes the string after we are type and enter in the console. To collect that provided string, we need to store it inside string variable. String name is equal to, now we can print it. I will print the name variable. Java C Java. It should be next line, not next line. Next line. Clear compile. Java is asking me name. Yeah. If I enter, it will print my name. Then we can take int data through the console as a user input. Enter your age. Int age. The method now is next int. I will use ln method here. I will print the value of age variable. Java C. It will print name and age. Then we can take double values as a user input to the console. Enter your salary. Double salary. The method now is next double. I will print the salary also. After you have used the scanner class, make sure to close it by using close method. C.close. Let me run it. After I provided these values, it stores those values inside corresponding variables and then it will print out that value into the console. By having that knowledge, let's move to the practical now. Let's design it. I will use the same test.java file. Here I'm gonna import java.util.scanner. Don't worry, upcoming videos, all the things I will explain. I'm going to add these colors to our interface. All these things are I told you in the previous video. So if you don't know them, go to previous video and learn it. Let me run it. String. String. It should be string. Save. Cut holder name. Kamal. Account number. Balance. Just give me output like this. But I want this message and my input in the same line. To do that, we have to remove this print ln command. Print ln. Ln. Save. Now as you can see, it is give me the prompt in the same line. That's all for today.